test, first day. Not bad. I think it'll be okay. Now I think a 2-inch skag versus a 4-inch skag. If you really need to get that shallow, get your rubber boots on. Go chase those fish down. I may make one that will get in that super skinny 2-inch water, but I think fish need more than 2 inches of water, unless you got to go through a really shallow area to get into a deeper area. But then again, you could just portage your kayak or get out and grab the handle and drag it through. Not that big a deal. I think it paddles okay. I do notice it being 2 inches wider than the last one. I think I'm gonna need a longer paddle for that. Trying to keep y'all from getting blasted by the glare of the sun. Normally I like to wear shorts out on the water, but there's still fiberglass dust all over this thing, and at least I can take my pants off when I get home and throw them in a wash by themselves and make sure they get all that. There went a fish right there. Make sure you get all that dust off. These little city park lakes like this are usually picked clean. I mean, I've seen, like I said, I've seen little bass in here, probably a pound and a half. But I would imagine anybody that catches them out here, they probably keep them. So what's that recipe? What's that fish recipe you just cooked? Oh, it's called 10-20-10 high nitrogen. A fertilizer joke. When I get on the water, I always take a fishing pole with me, just in case. You never know. Catch and release is all right. I wouldn't eat anything out of here. Got that city stain on it called fertilizer. Y'all see our Texas windmill over here to the left? Let's see. Looks like there's some kind of a garden over there too. I get this one finished, I have to get me a sponge. Keep the water out. I spill a lot of water in here so far. I'd say it paddles pretty easy. I'm not really putting much effort into it. Paddling directly into the wind. Should be getting some wind noise across the speaker. I didn't put my lid in there yet, but once I get that set in there, I can take the lid off and use it to set a bucket in. And one of my subscribers, T455, came up with that idea. I thought, okay, it'll also make a good bucket holder. I like that idea. Thanks, man. I'll call it the T455 bucket holder. Alright. Let's see if I can get out without getting too wet or muddy. I don't want to do all this too close to the water. There could be a gator right there. He might just jump up and snatch me. Look at alligators all over Houston, Texas. Never seen one here, but that doesn't guarantee you they're not here. Yep, I'm breathing hard. I'm also old. Let's see. I'm pretty close. The whole time. Sorry about that. Let's go see what this park is called. Oh, this is not the name of the park. That's just in memory of. Strictly human propelled watercraft. That's all of it. There's a little sign up here. We'll see what it says. See, alligators in the park, do not disturb. And the trail map. It works. It works. All right. That's about it for the video. I'll see y'all in the next segment.